This lady is feeding all those pigeons. When her car came, they all flew down to her car, and she like dumped a bunch of seeds, and she's dumping them all over there. See all those pigeons flying? They'll go back in a second, I bet. And she's dumping seeds everywhere. I think they like recognized her car even, because they all came down when they saw her car. That's so weird. And then she went to her passenger seat and got the seeds. There, they're coming back. Oh, look at those hungry little pigeons. Wow. She's over there feeding them.